Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to mirror camera on Messenger video call. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Messenger, click the sign up option, and from there, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, some people prefer the mirrored view of themselves during video calls because it reflects how they appear on the mirror, which they might find more familiar and comfortable. And mirroring the camera can create a symmetrical appearance in real time, which can be appealing to some users. In non-mirrored views, your movements, gestures may appear reversed to the other person on the call, which can sometimes lead to confusion. So mirroring the camera ensures that their actions are displayed in the same orientation as you perceive them. The thing is, you can only use the mirror camera on Messenger video call if you use the Facebook Messenger app on your mobile device. So I am going to switch from there. Now, once you are on your mobile device, I need you to type in Facebook Messenger, and I need you to install the Facebook Messenger, not the Facebook Messenger Lite, because it's the one that has the capabilities to mirror the camera on the video call. Now, after that, open your Messenger. Now, once you are on your Facebook Messenger, if you click on the video here and try to call someone, now you see you can't really find the camera or mirror camera here on the video call for your Facebook app. Now, for you to be able to fix this issue, all you have to do is go to your mobile phone's settings, go to app list, and from here type in Messenger. All right, I need you to click on that, and I need you to click on the storage and cache, clear cache. So it's like offloading your Facebook Messenger, and after doing so, try to relaunch the Facebook Messenger call and you would be able to mirror camera. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.